Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Here's Lolly again. Guys, update for Lolly. Lolly, go inside. Inside, Lolly, go inside. Don't go there because they are fixing the room. Look. Come here. Come here. Go inside. Go inside. They are fixing the room. You're not to go inside your house. Come, come, come. Look what he's doing. She go to the mirror. And look at her face. What? Yes, come here. Please talk about business.
No, we don't have driver. The car.
Ah,
Muhammad
bakit?
bring the car.
Ano Muhammad bring the car?
Bahi go to Khaled.
What car?
The pick up.
Wala. Ano niya, Suzuki.
Dinala niya.
Sabi ni Sir. At saka kung wala yung pick up, pwede natin gamitin ang Suzuki. Sabi ni Inay, ni Sir.
Hindi pwede BMW.
Ang sabi niya, gagamitin niya daw yung BMW, Lolly. Paano yan, oh? Tignan mo.
Taro yun, Mercedes.
She's scared. She is fighting her. She's fighting her. She's fighting her. Come here, quickly, quickly. Come here, come here. Come here, Lolly. Come here. Sige daw, aday.
Balik. Sabi na, talagang psychopath yung isa.
Nagtago siya. Nasaan na? She doesn't like her too much, guys. She doesn't like her. Why you don't like her? Why? Why you don't like her, Lolly? Because she's annoying me. I don't like her. She's annoying me. I hate her. Let's go. Let's go, Lolly. I need to clean, Lolly. Let's go. Hello, guys. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel. Thank you. God bless. Please subscribe Val Santos Matubang, Kalingap Prab, and Ate Edna Vlog. Oh, maipit ka na. Thank you for watching, guys. God bless. Stay safe, everyone. Bye-bye. Bye-bye and bye-bye, but I not end the video. Because I want them to see you playing, Lolly. I want them to see you playing, Lolly. Look at her. Okay, oh. Galing naman ni Lolly. Galing niya talaga. Very good girl. Okay, bye-bye. God bless everyone. Thank you for watching again and again and again and again. Thank you. Thank you, guys.